Okay, part 2. Let's get Green Peter going here. So, let's scoot on over to Green Peter. We see things update here. There's no quick sets defined for Green Peter, so let's make one. Bam, there we go. So let's give it a little description. This is a test. We notice that when we do that, the quick set changes color to red, signifying that something has changed. So you want to, make it so that it knows that it's changed. You save the data. Okay, and then you basically go through and you fill in all of the boxes here. And I don't think that this screen capture will show you this, but boxes that have the red triangle at the top right of them that I'm looking at right now, if you hover over them, it'll show you a comment, kind of a tooltip, a help. What does this actually mean? So fish passage alternative, okay, that changes whether we use this or this, which I will just make up for the time being. Why don't, anyway, so I would fill those in and make those up. So then if I change this to N, bam, now we're using this one. Anything that's grayed out is not going to be used by the current run. It's still there, sitting there, so if you make a change, it remembers it. But anything in gray, it's not going to be used. And we see as we made a change in blue box, now the reservoir data changed. So nets, for details, you can look at the comments. Collector, let's go ahead and fill that in. Re-reg, if we could do Foster separately than Green Peter, because we have it set up that way. Or if you say, well, Foster is pretty simple, I just want to put like 10% of the fish that make it through Foster die, then we can do it like this. Route fish with flow. This one will say you're in September. If you put an N there, it'll just say there's a constant amount of fish approaching each day in September. If you put a Y, it's saying as the inflows go up and down, so will the number of fish approaching that they'll track with the inflow. This temperature flow distribution is really only appropriate for Detroit, in my understanding. And that's all the time I've got for this video.